AI Chatbot Business, How to Build and Sell Chatbots for Small Businesses in 2026. Every small business gets the same questions every day. What are your hours? How much does it cost? Do you offer a specific service? Where are you located? Answering these questions takes time. Time that business owners could spend on actual work. This is where you come in. You build AI chatbots that answer these questions automatically, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this guide, I will show you exactly how to start a chatbot business, find clients, and build recurring monthly income. Why this works in 2026. Small businesses want faster responses without hiring more staff. AI chatbots handle frequently asked questions, capture leads, and work all day and night. Clients pay $200 to $500 for setup and $50 to $200 monthly to keep them running. What is an AI chatbot business? You build custom chatbots for small businesses using no-code tools. These chatbots live on their websites, Facebook pages, or WhatsApp. They answer customer questions, collect contact information, and even book appointments. Example: a dental clinic chatbot can answer questions about services and prices. It can book appointments directly into their calendar. It can send reminders 24 hours before appointments. It can capture leads after hours and answer frequently asked questions instantly. All of this happens without any human involvement. The business owner saves hours every week, and customers get instant answers. Why small businesses need chatbots? According to a report from 2026, 68% of customers expect businesses to offer chatbot support. Yet most small businesses do not have one because they think it is too expensive or technical. This is your opportunity. You can build a chatbot for $200 to $500 and charge $50 to $200 per month to maintain it. For a business owner, that is cheaper than hiring a part-time receptionist. What businesses gain from your chatbot? They save 10 to 20 hours per week by not answering the same questions. They never miss a lead because the chatbot works even when closed. They get faster response times with answers in seconds. They provide consistent answers with no variation between different staff members. They capture leads by collecting emails and phone numbers automatically. The best chatbot tools in 2026. For beginners with free tiers available. BotPress is open source and powerful with a free self-hosted option. It is best for technical flexibility. Chatbase is the simplest tool. Just upload your documents, and it creates a chatbot. It is perfect for beginners. Landbot has a visual drag and drop builder. It is great for conversational forms and lead generation. ManyChat is best for Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp chatbots. For advanced users, Dialogflow by Google is enterprise grade and understands natural language well. Raza is open source with full control but requires some technical knowledge. VoiceFlow is great for complex conversational flows and team collaboration. My recommendation is to start with Chatbase. It is the simplest. You upload a PDF or website link, and it creates a chatbot automatically. This is perfect for your first few clients. Step 1. Learn one tool in week 1. Days 1 and 2. Set up Chatbase. Go to chatbase.co and create a free account. Create a new chatbot for a fake business. Use a local coffee shop as an example. Upload their website URL or a PDF of their menu and hours. Test the chatbot by asking common questions. Days 3 and 4. Customize your chatbot. Change the welcome message to say hello and ask how you can help today. Add suggested questions like what are your hours or do you deliver? Customize the colors to match the business brand. Add a lead capture form to ask for an email before answering. Days 5 to 7. Learn BotPress or Landbot optionally. Spend 2 to 3 hours on YouTube learning a second tool. This makes you more valuable to clients who have specific needs. Step 2. Create your portfolio in week 2. Build 3 to 5 demo chatbots for different types of businesses. These will be your portfolio pieces. Portfolio number 1 is a restaurant chatbot. Features include menu lookup, hours, location, reservation link, and dietary questions. Data source is the website menu page and hours page. Lead capture is offering a discount code in exchange for an email. Portfolio number 2 is a real estate chatbot. Features include property search, schedule viewing, and frequently asked questions about the buying process. Data source is property listings and the frequently asked questions page. Lead capture is asking for an email for more details if interested in a property. Portfolio number 3 is a salon or spa chatbot. Features include service menu, price list, book appointment, and gift card purchase. Data source is the service page and booking link. Lead capture is offering 10% off the first visit for new clients in exchange for an email. Portfolio number 4 is an e-commerce chatbot. Features include product recommendations, order tracking, return policy, and size guide. Data source is the product catalog and frequently asked questions. Lead capture is signing up for restock alerts on a product. Portfolio number 5 is a fitness studio chatbot. Features include class schedule, membership prices, instructor bios, and trial class booking. Data source is the schedule page and pricing page. Lead capture is getting a free trial class in exchange for an email. For each portfolio piece, create a short Loom video of about 5 minutes walking through the chatbot. Add these videos to your portfolio page or website. Step 3. Define your offer in week 3. Package your services clearly. Businesses need to understand exactly what they get. The basic package costs $200 to $300 for setup and $50 per month. It includes a frequently asked questions chatbot that answers common questions. It includes up to 50 question-answer pairs. It includes embedding on the website with copy-paste code. It includes 1 round of revisions. The professional package costs $400 to $700 for setup and $100 per month. It includes the frequently asked questions chatbot plus lead capture. It includes up to 150 question-answer pairs. It includes appointment booking integration if applicable. It includes WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger integration. It includes 2 rounds of revisions and a monthly analytics report. The enterprise package costs $800 to $1,500 for setup and $150 to $200 per month. It includes everything in the professional package plus customer relationship management integration to add leads directly to their system. It includes custom conversation flows. It includes priority support with 24-hour response. It includes a quarterly strategy call and unlimited revisions. Step 4. Find your first clients in week 4. Method 1 is walking into local businesses. This has the highest conversion rate. Visit 5 to 10 local businesses like restaurants, salons, dental clinics, and real estate offices. Ask to speak with the owner or manager. Use this script. Say hello. Mention that you help small businesses save time by adding a chatbot to their website. Explain that it answers customer questions automatically so they do not have to. Say that you built a demo chatbot for a business similar to theirs. Ask if you can show them how it works. Mention that it takes only 5 minutes. Method 2 is using Facebook groups. Join local business groups on Facebook. Search for small business owners in your city. Participate for a week. Then offer a free chatbot audit. Method 3 is LinkedIn outreach. Search for business owners in your area. Send a connection request. After they accept, send a message. Mention that you noticed they own a specific business name. Explain that you help businesses like theirs save over 10 hours a week with AI chatbots. Say that you built a free demo chatbot for their business and ask if you can send the link. Assure them there is no pressure at all. Method 4 is cold email. Find business emails on their website. Send a short email with the subject line saying "Save 10 hours a week." In the email, mention that their customers ask the same questions every day and ask what if a chatbot answered them automatically. Say that you built a free demo for their business and provide the link. State that if they like it, you can set it up for a specific price with no monthly fee required. End with your name. Step 5. Deliver and get testimonials. How to deliver a chatbot. First, have a discovery call of 30 minutes to understand their business, common questions, and goals. Second, gather data including their website URL, frequently asked questions, hours, prices, and location. Third, build the chatbot in 2 to 4 hours by uploading data to Chatbase or BotPress. Fourth, test thoroughly by asking over 50 questions to ensure accuracy. Fifth, send a test link for client review and approval. Sixth, give them the embed code to deploy the chatbot on their website. Seventh, train them with a 15-minute call showing how to update the chatbot. Ask for a testimonial immediately after launch. Say that you are glad they like the chatbot and ask if they would mind leaving a quick testimonial of just 2 to 3 sentences about how it has helped their business. Add every testimonial to your website and social media profiles. Realistic income timeline. In month 1, you learn tools and build your portfolio. Income is $0. In month 2, you get your first 2 to 3 clients. This brings $400 to $1,500 in one-time fees plus $100 to $300 in monthly recurring income. In month 3, you have 5 to 8 clients. This brings $1,500 to $4,000 in one-time fees plus $300 to $800 in monthly recurring income. In month 6, you have 10 to 20 clients. The monthly retainers stack to give you $500 to $2,000 in passive income per month. By year 1, you can reach full-time income of $2,000 to $8,000 or more dollars per month. How to scale. Create templates. Package your best chatbots as products and sell them for $100 to $300 one time. Partner with web designers. They can add your chatbots to client websites and take a commission. White label your service. Build chatbots for marketing agencies who resell them to their clients. Add services. Offer ongoing chatbot optimization, content updates, and analytics. Common mistakes to avoid. First, building without understanding the business. A dental clinic chatbot is different from a restaurant chatbot. Learn their specific needs. Second, having no lead capture. A chatbot that only answers questions is helpful, but a chatbot that also captures leads is valuable. Third, poor testing. Test your chatbot with over 50 questions before showing the client. Fourth, no training. Clients need to know how to update their chatbot. Create simple documentation. Fifth, charging only one-time fees. Monthly retainers are where the passive income is. Always offer a maintenance plan. Frequently asked questions. Question. Do I need to know how to code? Answer. No. Chatbase, Landbot, and ManyChat are no-code tools. You drag and drop. Question. How much can I earn monthly from retainers? Answer. Each client pays $50 to $200 per month. With 10 clients, that is $500 to $2,000 in passive income. Question. What if the chatbot gives wrong answers? Answer. Test thoroughly before launch. Chatbots learn from the data you provide. If the data is wrong, the answers will be wrong. Question. Can I run this as a side hustle? Answer. Yes. Most chatbot builders start part-time. You need 5 to 10 hours per week for the first 3 months. Question. What is the best tool for beginners? Answer. Chatbase. It is the simplest. You upload a website URL or PDF, and it creates a chatbot automatically. Conclusion: AI chatbots are not just for big companies anymore. Small businesses need them, and they will pay for them. You do not need to be a programmer. You just need to learn one tool and talk to business owners. Start with Chatbase. Build a demo chatbot for a local business. Walk in and show them. Your first client is closer than you think. Your action plan: create a free Chatbase account today. Build a demo chatbot for a local coffee shop in 1 hour. Walk into 3 local businesses and show them your demo. Close your first client within 2 weeks. Set up a monthly retainer and watch passive income grow. The people who succeed are not the smartest. They are the ones who start before they feel ready. For more, visit our website. Please subscribe, like, and share.